In today's video, I will be using one kettlebell for flow drills that is perfect for beginners and designed to make you a stronger striker.
Hey Punch Fitters, this is Chris and Aneta Hunter, and if you're new to our channel and looking for workouts to get you that fighter's physique, start now by subscribing to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss a single workout.
In today's workout, the goal is to get 8 to 12 reps of each exercise in the allotted time and complete 4 to 6 rounds depending on your current fitness level.
Begin with the kettlebell push-up to alternating snatch. Start in a plank with both hands on the kettlebell and feet out wide for stability. Control your descent down and push yourself back up. Jump your feet to the outside of the kettlebell. Starting with your right hand, adjust and grab the handle so that the thumb is pointing behind you. Use a loose but secure grip on the kettlebell so that it will roll around your wrist, landing softly on your forearm instead of slamming into it at the top of the snatch. In one fluid motion, hike the kettlebell back and swing the weight above your head. Control the weight down and complete a kettlebell swing. At the top of the swing, pass off the kettlebell to the left hand and complete another snatch. Repeat this as many times as you can in the round. Return the kettlebell to the ground and repeat the movement starting with the push-up.
Next will be the kettlebell dynamic row, starting by aligning your knees with your ankles and send your butt back. Brace your core and hinge at the hips, pulling the shoulders slightly in front of the kettlebell. Keep your shins vertical, chest almost horizontal to the floor throughout the entire movement. Beginning with the right hand holding the handles with a loose J-hook grip. And drag the kettlebell to the center of your chest. At the top of the movement, pass the kettlebell off to your left hand. Avoid stopping and keep the momentum going until the time is up.
Next up is the alternating kettlebell clean to squat. Start on the right side with a loose J-hook grip and complete a dead power clean that we did in our previous video to get the kettlebell to the rack position. Brace your core, unlock your hips, and go down for the squat. This time the knees will go past your ankles and travel towards your toes. If you have the flexibility, keep your heels on the floor. Bring your hips down so that they are parallel to your knees. Stand up, and at the top of the exercise, pop your hips forward and lock them out, activating the glutes. Complete a single-handed kettlebell swing and transition the weight from the right hand to the left, catching the weight at chest level and complete another swing. Quickly drive your elbow to your ribs and twist your hand so that the kettlebell gently lands on your forearm in the rack position. Complete another squat and reverse the order so that the kettlebell ends up on the right side.
Next, we'll go after the core with the kettlebell bicycle sit-ups. You may need to transition to a lighter weight for this one. Laying on your back, extend your left leg so that it is straight, and the right leg, it is up with the knee bend. Grip outside of the kettlebell handle and bring your left elbow to your right knee. Right tricep is on the ground with your hand in alignment with your elbow. Raise your shoulders off the ground, engaging your abs. Keep your eyes focused between your feet, and in one fluid movement, extend your right leg and bring your left leg up. At the same time, rotate your core, bringing your right elbow to your left knee so that they touch. At a medium pace, keep your core under constant tensions and repeat the movement until time is up.
Now that we have fatigued every major muscle group, you have to fight. Quickly get your gloves on and destroy the bag with a jab cross hook. Then step back to adjust from your mid-range to long-range weapon and snap off a rear roundhouse kick. From there, complete a sprawl by going to the ground with your left hand slightly in front of your right, send your feet back wide, and drop your hips down without touching the floor. Quickly jump your knees back to your elbows and return to your fighting stance. Drive off your rear foot, advancing forward to close the distance you created from the sprawl and deliver a hard right cross. You get a full minute to recover after this set, so earn that break and complete this combo as many times as you can before the round is up.
Be sure to complete a full body warm-up prior to exercise to avoid injury.
Enough talk. Grab your kettlebell and boxing gloves and let's get fit.
Okay, get ready. Here we go. Start by jumping down with a close grip on the kettlebell and complete a push-up. Snap the hips forward and jump to a standing position and aggressively hike the kettlebell high inside your thighs, then use the power of the hips and snatch the kettlebell above your head. It is important to control the kettlebell back down and don't allow your arms to flap down. Complete a swing, and once the weight is at the chest level, pass the kettlebell off to the opposite hand. If you are dropping the kettlebell, chances are you are passing the weights too low or not generating enough momentum from the hips, rendering the kettlebell weightless for a few brief seconds, allowing you to catch the handle. You are done in 3, 2, 1. You get a very short 15 seconds break, so don't go far. We are starting again in 3, 2, 1. This will be a shorter round lasting for only 20 seconds. Drive your elbow quickly to your core, but avoiding going past your ribs. As your hand reaches the center of your chest, pass off the kettlebell from one hand to the other. Keep your core locked out and keep the momentum going until time is up. We are done in 3, 2, 1. Take a 15 seconds to recover. Next up is alternating kettlebell clean to squat. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. If you find the kettlebell is slamming into your forearm, here are a few things to check. The thumb should point behind you. This will allow the wrist to rotate as you pull the kettlebell. Your grip should be loose enough to allow the kettlebell to roll around your forearm, but secure enough so you don't lose control of or drop the weight. Next, make sure you are pulling your elbow close to ribs and not away from your body. Have your hand come as close to the center of your chest as possible. Ladies, I know this may be a challenge for some of us, but do your best. If it's still uncomfortable, replace the kettlebell with a dumbbell. This is a great movement to build explosive power and increase coordination. We are done in 3, 2, 1. Transitions quickly to your back, and if needed, go with a lighter weight on this one. We are going in 3, 2, 1. Think about putting your arms in the shape of square and don't allow the kettlebell to touch any part of your body throughout the movement. This movement should be done at a slow to medium pace, keeping your core under constant tension. If you are new to this movement, start light, and once you build confidence, go heavier if you can maintain perfect form. This is a great movement to increase the power of our rotational strikes. We are done in 3, 2, 1. Get up right away and put those gloves on. Last round, don't hold back. Three, 2, 1, and go. The combo is jab, cross, hook, rear roundhouse, sprawl, and come back with the hard right cross. On the hook and the roundhouse kick, it is critical that you take off your brakes by lifting the heel of your lead foot to maximize power and avoid injury. Complete the combo as many times as possible in a minute. Stay with me. When striking, generate power from the ground. Snap your hips, then shoulders, and finally the arm to maximize power. When you sprawl, spread your feet wide and get up as quickly as possible. If sprawls are a challenge, give me a squat jump. At the end of this round, give yourself a full minute break, but only if you feel that you earned it. We are done in 3, 2, 1, and time! That was workout 20. I'm super proud of you for completing that workout with me.
Aneta and I know that you have a lot of options and a busy life, so we truly appreciate your time and thank you for watching this video to the end. If you like this workout, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss a single workout. Until next time, get fit,
Get strong,
and get tough.